Hi everyone, this is a video about my 2017 Toyota Tacoma. I accidentally broke the driver's side rear glass last week, so I'm at a position where I need to replace it. I can use my insurance deductible to replace it, or I can use a replacement glass that I can buy from Brad's Auto Glass on eBay and or his website. So what I've done so far is I've completely removed all of the broken glass shards that were stuck to my window frame. In fact, it's clean enough that I even have the little rubber piece there still intact. And I'm going to scan across slowly to show you how it is. But basically I used a flat blade screwdriver and a vacuum cleaner and pried every piece of glass off. Worked out fairly well. I encountered a couple of cutouts, one right there on the upper left of the glass, and then a little hole right below it that were there beforehand. So as I continue to scan down, I'm going to reach the bottom. It's kind of hard to see with the sunlight. I'm going to reach the bottom and we'll see another opening that is directly below the other one at the bottom. And as I continue to scan slowly, we can see that all the glass is gone from everywhere. And I'm going to make my way up to the slider window sealer, which is kind of like a windshield wiper blade. And there it is. It used to have some double-sided tape to hold the glass in place. So that's still intact. That will be reusable. I did not damage it in any way. But there it is. There's the whole round. So I'm going to back up a little bit to give you a look of what it kind of looks like from afar. I hope. Yeah. So a little lower down.